皆さんこんにちは。寺田寿司道場の寺田です。本日のビデオはですね、私が、レストランで働いていた頃なんですけども、もうそうですね4年ぐらい前になりますけども、コラボレーションでですね、別の YouTube のチャンネルでDear Meat for Dinner というチャンネルがあるんですけども、主に彼らのチャンネルはですね、ハンティングとか、フィッシングとかね、そういったことを主にやってるYouTuber の方なんですけども、彼らとですねコラボレーションで、バハマのですねスタニアルケイという島があるんですけどもね、そこに3日間行きましてね、このマイアミからねプライベートのこの飛行機で飛んでいって、プライベートのアイランドなんですけども、そして滞在してね魚釣りに行きましてね、いろんなものを取りましたけどね、コンクとかねタイとかね、いろんな魚が取れましたけどもね、今回のビデオの中ではですねそのタイ、これでね刺身を作ってます。なかなか綺麗なところですよ、スタニアル系というところはね。はい、料理の方見てみてください。それではありがとうございます。
Wow.
Chef, this is for you, buddy.
Wow, look at that baby. Nice. That thing's huge. Oh, sorry. Let me get one quick look at that. Wow. Look at this thing. That thing is huge.
That's a big one.
That is a big one.
Yeah.
As big as they get. Wow. So Robert's in the water now. They've spotted about a 15-pound mutton. And we are going to eat tonight. Down to get it again. Let's see.
Yeah,
Wow.
right there, baby.
Look at that.
Big old button snapper.
Beautiful.
Chef, what do you think?
Hero,
Gonna eat sushi. Good sushi.
Yeah,
that's going to feed us tonight, Robert.
hold on.
So here we got the mutton snapper.
Yes, we have a snapper.
All because of this man right here. This is the man right
Dude,
here.
I'm so honored to be here. It is a great time. Just a great day to be alive.
Oh yeah. So I'm asking Hero what are the ideas he has to make what dishes, you know?
Yeah, because all fish we have to eat the sashimi. Well,
Yeah.
first, you know?
I agree.
just didn't want this thing.
Right?
All right, so that is our lionfish, and these top dorsal spines are venomous. They also have a couple venomous spines right at the base of their anal fin and at the tip of their caudal fins. So they are venomous, and if they sting you, like even right now, they could sting you. It feel like a really bad bee sting. And if you get stung by a lionfish, typically really hot water is the best thing to kill the pain. So let's clean this sucker. Come right out here. And they literally clean up just like any other fish. The only difference whenever I'm cleaning lionfish and anything else is I keep my blade far away from, like, I don't choke up on it. I keep my hands because I don't want these barbs to drive into the top of my knuckles. Look how snow white that meat is, y'all. Beautiful.
Ready?
Hey chef, where's chef go? What do you think so far?
Excellent. Perfecto.
Huh?
Hello, hello.
You have any more?
No, I will in a minute.
Oh man, that was bad.
They love dogs. Now we have a really pretty mutton snapper, probably about a 11 or 12 pounder, and Bernie's gonna skin the head. This is something I've never actually tried to do. Okay, Bernie, come on.
There we go, boys. This is what I'm talking about right here. Hey, like Mr. Rob said, this is not a very good knife right here for to skin the head.
It's a great knife for skinning it. Just skin the knife.
Come on, man. This is not my tool. This is your tool. So, all right. So I gotta make myself a better person to use this knife right here. Okay, guys. So here we go right here. So this is what we're gonna do right here. We're gonna start from there. Oh man, Mr. Rob, this looks like a good knife. We got the silent movie gang. All right, folks. So you see all of that right there? All of the white piece? That right there. That's what I'm gonna.
Two beautiful pieces of fish. Take them, rinse them off. Anytime you rinse off your fish, you want to rinse them off in salt water.
Why is that, Robert?
If you rinse fish off in fresh water, it just gives it a, I don't know. Just rinse it off in salt water. As a just a white guy, I have no idea how to make sushi rice. And sushi rice is like the foundation of sushi. So I brought a master sushi chef along. This is Hiro Tahada. And everybody, I want you to go check out his channel. It's called Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. I cannot say that. Sushi chef.
Sushi chef.
Sushi chef. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Okay, so what are we doing here? Show us what we're doing.
Okay, so first we're gonna make a sushi rice.
Okay.
So this is Japanese short grain rice we just steamed already. So now we are going to mix with sushi vinegar.
Okay, so that's short grain sushi rice that he steamed already, and now he's gonna mix it with
sushi vinegar.
Sushi vinegar.
Sushi vinegar has a rice vinegar and salt and sugar.
Okay.
This is already mixed already.
Okay.
So we're gonna add into a steamed rice. So this is 6 cup rices here. So I'm gonna use a cup and a half. Cool. That sushi vinegar into.
6 cups of rice, a cup and a half of vinegar. Cool. I'm taking notes because whenever I go home, I better make Sarah some sushi. Or I'm just bringing her down to your restaurant, one or the other.
Sushi into a steamed rice.
Okay, so this is hot, but not scalding hot. So you're not trying to mash it, you're trying to cut it.
Kind of cutting motion.
Now you're just trying to separate the grains.
Right. Actually, you can mix with sushi vinegar in this container. Okay, for the process. But this is a little bit too small for 6 cup rice, so I'm gonna leave a little bit separate.
And I know I'm naive, but I figured you just make the rice and you're good to go.
Yeah.
I would wrong.
Just with the rice without vinegar.
Yeah, I had no idea.
You can do it, but it's a little less flavor.
Okay.
So like that.
And do you add any salt, pepper?
No.
No?
No.
Okay,
No.
cool.
And then you can keep the towel on it, and then a little bit cooling down.
Okay, so
About 10-15 minutes. So the sushi rice has to be a little bit not too hot, not too cold. It's kind of good. It's good. So
this was like whenever we did this, I was really looking forward to just learning from you. So this is so cool. Thank you. Thank you.
Next step we're gonna do the snapper sashimi. We call it usuzukuri, which means the cutting slice very thin. Take a water out.
Dry.
Yes.
Oh, and he overlapped it perfectly. One of the great things about fish that are speared, like this fish, is literally as you spear them, you bleed the fish out. So they die very, very fast. They're bled out, and then we throw them straight on ice. It's very important when you're harvesting fish to throw it right into an ice brine or an ice slush. Then the ice and the water completely surround the fish, bring down the core temperature, and then you're left with a nice, firm fillet. If you're buying fish or if you're looking for fish to cook, if it smells like fish, give it back.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. We're making a snapper flour.
Yes.
Well, Hiro, I'm glad you were
Okay, that's it.
I'm glad you were paying attention in all the classes. You did a very good job.
Excellent.
Look at that. I mean, what the heck? Look at that. Is it a sun or is it a flower?
Like a rose.
It's a sunflower. Sunflower. He's a sushi chef and a stand-up comedian. That is unbelievable. Now, what would you season this with? What would you serve it with?
Yes, with some citrus soy sauce. Soy sauce is the rice vinegar mixed in it. And this is called ponzu.
Ponzu.
Ponzu. And I'm gonna add a little bit more citrus. This is called yuzu. Yuzu juice. Well, that's it.
Hey, Robert, do the honors with your chopsticks.
Where are the chopsticks at? Okay.
Kevin,
Okay, want a piece of fish? All right.
give it a try. And the host of the house, please, you must try.
Yeah, come on.
This is the
Okay,
real-
so I feel really bad eating this. It looks so pretty.
Yes.
You'll get over it after the first bite.
Why?
Oh wow, I like the ponzu. That is phenomenal. I really like the ponzu sauce.
Good?
Best?
This is the top loin. So on each fillet of a snapper, each fillet you've got two loins, your top loin and then your bottom loin. He's cutting at a diagonal across the grain. So the grain runs like that. Beautiful. Now what are you doing there, chef?
So I cut a little crossing the this fiber line. So making it a little more soft. It's not too chewy.
Oh, so you're tenderizing it. They don't call him a master chef for no reason. And that's sharp. That is like a nitro laser sharp knife.
To this size. Take the meats. Put wasabi on it.
Yeah, I would agree.
This is the nigiri version. And the next one is like roll sushi.
A roll. What's the green stuff?
This is we call it nori.
Nori?
Dried seaweed.
Okay.
And from the bamboo mat.
This is clearly your first time ever doing this, huh?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Kevo, hold on one sec.
Now I see how it's made. Now that's the only thing I'm gonna think about whenever I eat it in the store is this right here.
Yeah, man. Okay, so sesame seeds?
Yes.
Okay.
And then next one, rip it.
Does it taste different?
Actually, rice coming outside. You don't feel much the seaweed flavor.
Okay.
Seaweed outside, of course, it coming the seaweed flavor coming first, so kind of different texture.
That one looks tastier.
Definitely looks freaking good.
If you ever at any point need somebody to make sure you're doing it right, just let me know, and I'll shove it in my mouth. just let me know. That's what I'm here for.
This one, rice outside.
All right, you guys, I want to introduce you real quick. Francis, come here.
Yes.
Jack Nicholson. This right here,
Jack Nicholas.
this is Jack Nicholson's stunt double. His name is Francis, and he owns this home that we're in right now. He actually owns two of them, he and his beautiful wife.
Yes.
And if you want to check out more about this home, go to stanielrents.com. It's fairly impressive, that's all I can say. Like, that's just an understatement. There's not really, I can't go into depth and explain to how amazing this place is. Just go check out Staniel Rents. It's like Lifestyles of the Rich and Famous.
Right, the moment of truth. This is the man.
Let's see how these ribs
Man
look.
with a plan, yes.
Got to make them nice and sealed up. Then they sort of steam in their own juice.
Oh wow, look at that. Oh, I can smell them from here. They look
And you
amazing.
just want that to go like that, yeah. Nice and tender.
I'm so excited to have your food, Robert. You know that?
No
I only see your food all the time. I'm like, I gotta eat some of this guy's food.
right.
No, for real. Hero, you excited? Taste test, taste test. Especially when you go out and leave the stuff in the smoker for hours and come back and stuff like that. Awesome. Oh man, look at those ribs. Those look.
They're perfect, actually. What I'm talking about, y'all.
Yep. I had to say one thing, Robert. I would never imagine the day that we'd see your ribs next to Hero Sushi. This is incredible.
How awesome is that?
No, really.
Hero, come over out here.
This is like surf and turf to the max. This is unbelievable, right?
Yeah. So this happened on total accident, but my ribs are next to your sushi. That's cool stuff,
No,
man.
that's awesome. Look at this.
Good stuff.
I'll sit right back.